we're still in Oregon, but Washington's right there. We're right by the Columbia River, and we had to break out all of our shorts. Our legs have not seen, or our feet.
And James got this new pants.
Oh yeah, James got these cool new shorts he fits now, and the shirt. Very cool.
And I'm getting big almost for my birthday. I can get a toy monster truck for my birthday.
Yeah, and we know that. We've been listening to it every day. But our legs and our feet have not seen the sun for
like since
6 months, since Florida. I think that's the last time. Well, you've worn shorts, but
yeah, I've been wearing shorts
every now and then. But it's been so chilly. Now we're gonna feel the Florida heat, but from Oregon.
Yep.
We've been putting suntan lotion on
because it's that hot.
It's getting serious.
It's
is it serious?
Just like Florida.
It's
if it
just like
doesn't,
Florida?
but a little more hot.
No, it's a little more cold.
And we can go on the hill.
Not yet. We gotta wait till the rocks cool off, huh?
Like
That's how hot it is. It's getting the rocks like really hot.
Yeah.
The only place I've seen that like gets like either really close to Florida weather or feels like Florida weather is here and Nevada sometimes.
Oh yeah, Nevada did too. We left Nevada before it got too crazy. So here's our backyard this week. Yeah. It's time to just take them off. When it's free land, you can be picky and I guess creepy because you can pick out where you want to move to and just move there. So we're moving closer to the water because, I mean, our view is really beautiful. And we're taking the clown with us. But the view over here is a whole lot better. No big, we're just, there's the Airstream. And then here's the Columbia River. We're just sitting by the water, letting the kids play in the freezing water. But at least it's nice out. Pretty cool.
Letting them get all their energy out. That's pretty
Letting those kids, you know how them kids are.
I know I'm a kid. I just want to relax. That's all.
You're a bum kid.
Yeah.
I'm feeling it colder than we can go play at a water.
Because you feel
with our swimsuits. Then I check.
Ready?
Yes, it's cold.
Okay, close the door. Does that mean it's time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Go.
At the beach today.
about to get our big on our sleeves.
Oh.
Okay.
What about your face? How are you gonna help your face?
It's a sweet little one.
A big
Got
what?
a big cricket.
A cricket?
Yeah, it's really big. It's like
I don't think he
gray.
wants to live in there. No, 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 no. Don't put it by the stairs and then he jumps in the house.
No, just watch. Okay, ready?
Go ahead, babe.
We got a big one.
Okay.
Cricket.
Ooh, he is a good size.
Oh.
Peacock. A peacock.
A pigeon.
Okay. It's a guess.
It's a chicken.
No, it's a type of bird. And pretend this thing is a tree, okay?
Oh,
a woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
Yep.
Could you do that move one more time so I can see what a woodpecker looks like?
A grasshopper? A walking stick. A walking stick. A monkey. A gorilla.
It says this cucumber is organic, but when I hold it up to our door, it's almost bigger than the entrance to our door. Just kidding. But it is almost bigger than Ross's head.
Don't put that thing by my face.
It is bigger than your face.
No, get it out of here. That's weird.
It's making us some yummy guap. What?
I want to have a I want to go to campsite to have a high jump.
You mean you want to go to Mount Hood?
Yes, to go to do that high jump and stay
On
there
your bike?
to all those days.
All those days?
Yes,
What does that mean? 2 weeks?
in 2 weeks.
You look like you have little... It is hotter than Florida right now. Oh my gosh. I have a fan cooling my computer off. That's how hot it is here. And my hair is... I don't even know what my hair is doing. We just went down to the water. It's still way too cold to get in. But Ross and the kids still played in it. So, and I just put my feet in because they're swelling. Yeah. And my hands, they're swelling. They don't look very swollen now because I just had it in the water. But yeah, they're swelling. And my face is on fire. It's hotter than Florida. Did I mention that? Y'all, it is 96 out here and we are dying. It is so bad. Literally, my hands are swelling and my feet are swelling.
And anybody's ever boondocked in an Airstream, 96 just ain't cutting it. Airstreams ain't made for extremes.
Airstream's made for like 80, 85
To like 30,
to like 30, but
maybe 25, but no.
dude, it's so bad. So we're out of here. This place was awesome. I mean, it's beautiful here. It is so beautiful, but we got here way too late. We did stick it out for 13 days though. We were almost close to making it that 14th day tomorrow, but everybody's miserable. We even tried closing all of the windows and putting the AC on, and it's just too hot. All of our skins the skins of the Airstream are so hot that it couldn't even cool down, so we decided to turn it off and open the windows back up because at least the breeze is blowing. we can't wait any longer. We just gotta go. The place where we're going said it was like 30 degrees difference, so we are all about that. So we're gonna go and try something else. See the train? How cool is that? So cool. But it's too hot.